Once upon a time, in a kingdom filled with gold and glitter, lived a little princess who had everything a heart could wish for, except answers. One day, she stepped beyond her palace gates and saw something she had never truly noticed before: pain. An old woman sat alone by the roadside while the world hurried past her. The princess did not look away. She knelt down, held the woman's trembling hand, and wrapped her wound with a piece of her own royal scarf. Then she placed a few gold coins in her palm, but more than that, she gave her dignity. Tears filled the old woman's eyes as she whispered, "You did not give me gold, child. You gave me respect." That day, the little princess discovered a treasure greater than any crown: kindness. And slowly, her small act of compassion began to change the entire kingdom, because the most powerful ruler is not the one who wears a crown, but the one who carries love in her heart. Moral: true royalty is not in power or gold, it lives in kindness and respect.